example of two-digit divisors with long division. This time my problem is 9,744 divided by 29, and my starting point still needs to be with that estimate. So 29 is going to round to 30. So for my estimate, I'm then going to look at the first two digits, the 97, and I realize I don't know my 3's all the way up to 97. So I'm just going to stop at 90, because at the 9, because I know that I can do 9,000 and I can divide that by 30. Remember that my estimate should be pretty quick and simple. 9 divided by 3 is 3, and then I have 2 zeros. Now if I had wanted to, I could have counted on to 93 or to 96, but that's not as important in terms of what I'm doing. So I'm expecting my answer to be about 300. Now my next step is I'm going to start doing the actual division. Now that estimate is my starting point, because as I look to my problem, to do my problem now, what I'm going to do is I'm going to try, first off, does 29 divide into 9? And the answer is no. So I know I'm just going to uncover my next digit, and the next digit is 97. So now I'm starting to think to myself, okay, does 29 go into 97? Yes, it does. I've already done my estimate, so I know that I believe my first digit is going to be a 3. So I'm going to start by doing 29 times 3. 3 times 9 is 27. 3 times 2 is 6, plus 2 is 8, so it is 87, which does fit. I can't fit another 29, so I know it is 3. 3 times 29 is 87. So then I just subtract, and I have 10. I check it is less than 29, so I'm good. And so I know the next thing I need to do is just uncover my next digit, and then I'm going to bring down the 4. So now I have 104. Now, I'm going to keep my 29 times 3 over here because I might want to fall back on that. And as I look up here, I'm thinking, okay, how many times does 3 divide into 10? That's the way I estimate within the problem. Well, 3 divides into 10 3 times, so I'm expecting 29 to divide into 104 3 times, which is similar to what I had before. It's looking pretty good, so I am going to assume that 3 works. Put my 3 there, subtract my 87. Okay, I have to do some regrouping here. 14 minus 7 is 7, and 9 minus 8 is 1. I do have one more digit to uncover, so I will bring down my 4. And now I have 174. I'm going back to my estimation step. I'm thinking to myself, okay, 3, and I'm going to think, how many times does 3 divide into 17? Well, 3 divides into 17 5 times, so I'm expecting 29 to divide into 174 5 times. So I just want to do that multiplication. 29 times 5, that would be 45. That's 10, 14, 145. Ooh, that's pretty close. It looks like it's about 30 away, but not quite. So what I might want to do is I might want to check and see. So let me just kind of go off on the side, and let's see what 174 minus 145 is. Okay, do some regrouping. Oh, it's exactly 29, which means then that I can do it one more time. So it is going to be 29 times 6. 9 times 6 is 54. That would be 12 and 7. Oh, look, it's 174 exactly. So it is 6. I put my 174 here. I subtract. I get 0, so there is no remainder. So that 9,744 divided by 29 is 336. I could check that with multiplication. So what I can do is off here on the side, 336 times 29, that's 54. 27 plus 5 is 32. 27 plus 3 is 30. Place my 0. 2 times 6 is 12. 2 times 3 is 6, plus 1 is 7. 2 times 3 is 6. And then the last thing I need to do is just add my partials here. 4 plus 0 is 4. 2 plus 2 is 4. 0 plus 7 is 7. And 3 plus 6 is 9. So 9,744, and it works out.